Welcome back to Joe Rad Trades. This is my morning overview for December 13th, 2024. We're going to look at the SPY first. We just have this strong run up constantly with the SPY, and it's hard to fade the SPY as a whole. There's a lot to look forward to in 2024 as far as what the next political party can do. I don't want to get into politics, but so we get up to here, and we have two decently strong bear bars, 3 right out of 4 bars. This really shows that there's support here, and then there's resistance up top here on a frothy market already. So what this means is we're either accumulating to go higher or we're distributing to go lower. Those are the two possibilities. I'm really not going to get short or start thinking bearish until we get below this level right here. Why? Because this is climactic activity, quote unquote. Then we come back, we recover, and then we see this a lot where there's a turtle soup or what's called a failure test, however you name that, where the market will do something like this, and go lower. So I won't be bearish until that point. This will be a break of market structure. So we'll be going lower, and then we'll look for a return maybe somewhere on this level and then back down. That's what I have for the SPY. Now, markets overall are looking kind of similar, where we have this gap up earnings and then some earnings drift. There's a bunch of stocks like that. Qualcomm is one standout that I'll be looking for a short at some point, probably entry below this bar here. This wasn't an inside bar. If it was, I would like to short that, but I'm going to short right here if I can, and I'll look for a 1-to-1 opportunity, probably with my stop right about here. And that's what I'll be trading there. Now, as far as other stocks, what they're looking like is this pattern where we have that failure test that we talked about, where we go lower, but then it recovers and then kind of, consolidates. And so we've seen that. We've seen this too, where there's support similar to the SPY, just in a more consolidated or a more exaggerated fashion. The SPY is more consolidated right now. If we get a break to the upside in the SPY, I expect a stock like this to definitely move higher at a fast pace. Then we see some stocks like this, and these are different groupings, different ETFs, so you kind of got to figure out your way, where they have this bullish bar where you can enter, and then we get up, we almost run to like the 1-to-1 area, and then it just kind of fizzles out. I've seen a couple of those, and then in the last few days, I want to say earlier in this week, I saw where we had a nice, real strong entry, and then we just kind of gap down. So eBay is one of those examples. And these are like not just one-off stocks, right? This is presenting itself throughout the market in like different groupings of stocks. So understand that. We had this run up. I almost had my 1-to-1 in eBay, and then we gapped down. I closed it on the gap down right about here for an aggressive exit. And I missed my 1-to-1 by not too much, but took a small loss there. No big deal. It was an aggressive entry. Lastly, I just want to cover WES. This was on my One Good Trade series, so I put these out every day before the market opens for a good trade that I like for that day. I try to find the best one I can. This one, you can find it on TradingView. You can find it on YouTube. Joey Rod Trades is my channel, Joey Rod Trades. And then Instagram at Joe Rod Trades, and at TikTok at Joe Rod Trades. Please follow me to support me, and I'll continue to put these out. And they're pretty cool videos. They're very short. They're like reels and shorts. That's all I have for today. Good luck and good trading.